Negative.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. What all have, good morning. What all we have done till now? Tell me. Let me see how many of you remember what we have done. We have learned what to write in previous classes. What did we do?
Ma'am, analytical paragraph.
Yes. Everybody knows how to write analytical paragraph. And before analytical paragraph, what did we do? Modals. You remember modals? May, might, a few, the few, little, a little, the little. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So in your fair copies, two things must be there. You must be having answers of the exercises we did of modals. Yes or no?
Yes,
One
ma'am.
child I know is very, Harsh is
Yes,
very
ma'am.
regular, Kartike, Harsh, Kartike, Dhananjay, Zainab. These people, I'm sure their work is complete. You have the answers of modals, exercises?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Very good. And analytical paragraphs also you people had written now?
Yes, ma'am.
See, for internal assessment, what I'm planning is I'll be posting 10 names on the group every day. 10 names. And those 10 students will post the photo of their written work. I'm planning to start it from the coming week, from coming Monday. I'll write the name of 10 students on the group, and those 10 students in the evening will post their written work to me, and I will mark their internal assessment. Your internal assessment marks that you have 20% will be based on the work that you post. So even if you have not completed your work, I'm still giving you 1 week. Today is Monday. I will start the assessment from next Monday. Beta, do you have two Harshit Kumar Singh? Like we have two sections combined in this class, 10th A and 10th B. How many Harshit Kumar Singhs are there in the class? Harshit Kumar is in which section? 10th A or 10th B?
10th B.
10th B.
Yes,
Do we have one more Harshit in 10th A?
No, ma'am.
Then how come we have two Harshit Kumar Singhs? One has already joined, one more is in the waiting. So I'm not admitting this child. Okay, let's log the meeting. 5 minutes. Is it 10:15? Sorry, 9:10. We are supposed to log the meeting after 5 minutes. So I'm logging now. Nobody will admit. Nobody will enter. So what was I telling you, children? Very quickly. What all should be there in your fair copies?
Ma'am, models, ma'am, work, all we have done.
Yes. Modals and analytical paragraph. Okay, all the exercises that we did of modals and the analytical paragraph. So I'm giving you 1 week in case you have missed out something. Please complete your work. Roll number wise, I'll be posting names on the group in the evening between 6 to 7. You will post your work so that in the evening I can check your work and I can give you marks for your internal assessments. This is how you will be marked for your internal assessments. Now, children, I shared on the screen an exercise based on prepositions. The easy part of this exercise is that options are given to you. You have to just select which is the correct option. First, we'll do the first 10 sentences. You will not write anything. Listen carefully. As of now, you will not write anything. You will just plan your answers. Only after we discuss the answers, you'll start writing. Chaliye, start. Plan your answers for the first 10 sentences and raise your hands. Chaliye, hurry up, children. First 10 sentences, plan your answers, raise your hands. Very good, children. Just raise your hands, bachas, once you finish, so that I get to know how many of you have done. Bhumika has raised her hand already. Good. Plan your answers, bachas, first 10. Bhumika, Anamta have done. Very good. Hurry up, others. You don't have to write, children. You have to just plan. Good. 5 hands raised. Chalo, let's discuss the answers. You must try to live dash your income.
Within.
Within.
Very, very good.
Ma'am, within.
Next. Very good. You see, I was right dash all.
After.
After all. Very good. After all. I was right. After all is the correct answer. Very good, children. You're giving the correct answer. Okay, let's do the third one. He rested his bicycle dash the wall.
Ma'am.
Against
Against the wall.
Ma'am.
Nice, very nice, children. Against the wall. Yes, Dhananjay, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. This is a new chapter.
Beta, this is prepositions. We did in class 9th also, no? At, in,
Yes,
on,
ma'am.
but, by, that. Yes, it's a new chapter,
Ma'am.
prepositions. Yes,
Okay,
beta.
ma'am.
The new chapter, the heading you will put for prepositions. Okay, he rested his bicycle against the wall. Fourth one. He spent many years dash the people of Syria.
Among.
Ma'am, among.
Among.
Very good. Among. Although his last name is the same as mine, I am not related dash him.
To him.
To him. Very good. I am not related to him. Very good. I am astonished dash that matter.
With the matter. With that matter.
Yes, very good. The students were shocked dash the news.
Ma'am, you left the fifth one.
Sixth one.
Sixth one. This textbook is intended dash beginners and high school students.
For beginners and
Very good. The sixth one is let's get to the seventh one again. I am astonished dash this matter.
with that matter.
With that matter.
The eighth one now. The students were shocked dash the news.
For
With the news.
No. Shocked with the news. Very good. Shirley spends a lot of money dash cosmetics.
On cosmetics.
Yes, very good. Lot of money on cosmetics. Dhruv wasted little time dash social formalities.
On social formalities.
On social formalities. Very good. You want me to repeat any of the answers from 1st to 10th?
Ma'am,
Yes,
third
ma'am.
one.
All.
Third one. He rested his bicycle dash the wall.
against
Okay. Any other sentence?
Yes, ma'am. All. Can you repeat?
Okay, you want to do it again? You must try to live dash your income. Speak out, children.
Within.
Yes.
within
You see the second one. What is the answer to the second one?
After.
Very good.
After.
Very good. Third one.
against
Very good. Fourth.
among
Very good. Fifth.
Two.
Very good. Sixth.
for
Okay.
Four.
Seventh.
with
Good. Eighth.
With.
Very good. Ninth.
On.
On. And 10th.
On.
Very good. Now also if anyone has a problem in any of the sentences, you can still ask.
Thank
Now,
you, ma'am.
children, please note down the answers from 1st to 10th. We have already discussed the answers 2 times. Now we'll move on from 11 to 20. Nobody will write the answers. You'll simply plan your answers orally. Nobody will write and raise your hands. Once I discuss, only then you write the answers. Plan 11 to 20, right or wrong, doesn't make a difference. I'm absolutely okay if you give a wrong answer. But please try.
Ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, we have done only one exercise of models.
No, ma'am.
Regular students, please tell the child how many exercises were done in modals.
Ma'am, we have done many exercises.
Yes. So Dhananjay and all those who are regular who already always complete their work. Kartikeya is one, Dhananjay is there, Harsh is there, Zainab is there, Naina is there. Naina is in the other section, sorry. So what you do is you once again post your work today in the evening, the entire work. Okay, all those who finish, so that these students who are not regular can complete their work. Okay, we'll talk about it later. Hurry up. 11 to 20, quickly. Okay, let me see how many hands raised. Not even one. Chalo, never mind. Take more time. No hands raised. So 11 to 20. Plan it quickly. Four hands raised. Come on, 30 seconds more. Should we start? Sula? Tell me, children, should we start discussing the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
First, we'll discuss, then I'll give you time to write. So don't write when we are discussing. Otherwise, you'll never understand. So first, listen to the answers, discussion. I'll give you time to write. 11th one. That type of music is quite popular dash teenager boys and girls.
For,
No. No.
by,
No. With. Popular with. Popular with means it's very common. They like it a lot. So popular with. Next. She is beneficent dash the poor.
with,
She is beneficent dash the poor. What should be the answer?
what is the
On,
meaning of
ma'am,
benefit?
to.
For.
It is two, beta. Kind, na? Kind. It is contrary dash our custom.
To,
Yes, very good. Contrary to our custom means it is against our customs. Contrary to means against. Like I say, this is contrary to my wish. Matlab, whatever I'm wanting, the opposite of that. Contrary to. Very good. He is looking dash his reading glasses.
For.
Very good. Looking for. Looking for means किसी चीज को ढूंढना. Supposing I say I'm looking for my box, pencil box, that means I'm searching. I'm searching for my box. So he's looking for his reading glasses. The child is looking dash the pictures on the walls. At. Very good. Child is looking at. Put yourself dash my place.
On.
near,
No. No.
On.
Mm-hmm.
in,
In
Put
my
yourself
place.
in my place. Very good. What does this mean? What does this sentence mean? Put yourself in my place. What does this mean?
That means अपनी जगह पे.
मैम अपने आप को मिल
Yes, like in Hindi we say ना कि अपने को मेरी जगह रख के देखो. मतलब you think like I am thinking. मेरी तरह सोच के देखो.
Yes.
Okay. Put yourself in my place does not mean ki I'll go from here and somebody will come and sit at my place. It means to think the way I am thinking. Hindi mein very commonly we say मेरी तरह अपने को मेरी जगह रख के देखो means you think the way I am thinking. Everyone understood the meaning of this sentence? Put yourself in my place.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Srijan provides his son dash money.
For
With.
With money. Very good. With money. Good. Next. An accident has happened dash the family.
with
With.
With.
That
Very,
family.
very good with the family. Next. Dash the time being, I think you'd better not say anything to her.
By.
For the time being. Very for the time being. For the time being means थोड़े देर के लिए या थोड़े दिन के लिए, अभी के लिए. For the time being. For the time being means temporarily, कुछ दिन के लिए. Next. It's always better to study vocabulary dash connection dash reading.
In connection with reading.
In connection.
No, in is correct. The second one is going wrong. Tell me out
In
of
connection
ABC.
to reading.
Ma'am, with connection.
Reading.
In connection to reading. Very good. The D option is absolutely correct. Okay, a quick revision. Answer to the 11th one.
With.
Good. Very good. 12th.
Two.
with two
She is beneficent 2. Very good. 13th.
two
2.
2. 14th.
for
4.
For 15th.
At.
16th. 16th.
in
In.
Very good. 17th.
with
With.
18th.
with
That.
With. Accident has happened with the family. With. 19th.
for
4.
And 20, which is the correct option?
D
D.
Now take 1 minute, write the answers 11 to 20, then we'll move further. Take 2 minutes, please write the correct answers. And you want me to tell me any of these again? Let me know if there's any sentence you want me to discuss again from 11 to 20. If you have missed out any of the answers, let me know. I'll just give you 2 minutes. You have to simply write 10 words. Only words have to be written, not the sentences, children. Only the answers. Have you finished writing, beta?
yes ma'am.
Okay, very good. I keep putting a tick so I know who are the students who regularly post their work. 21 to 30 now. Please prepare your answers. You will not write anything. Just prepare. Plan 21 to 30 children. Those who finish or are ready to prepare till 30, raise your hands. As of now, only one hand, so we'll wait for others. Very good, very good. Can we start discussing?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Yes, let's do the 21. Mrs. Veronica is qualified dash English.
For
For
Very good. Next. Can we be sure? Can we be sure dash is honesty?
with
Very good. Very good. What did Mrs. Tarun die dash?
by
Die off. What is the correct answer? Die off. What did he die of? मतलब किसके कारण death हुआ? What was the cause? Die off. Okay, Bicha? Understood the meaning of the sentence? What did Mrs. Tarun die of means?
yes,
The
ma'am.
cause. It was dash my will.
against.
Against
Again.
Very good. I took my aging father dash the hand.
With.
No. No.
Two.
No.
By.
By the hand. Very good. हाथ पकड़ के चलना, that is holding by the hand. Okay, so by. हाथ पकड़ के चलना, that is. What do you mean by aging father? Tell. Tell me. Aging father means old age. Is it okay for all?
Yes,
Next.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
He is different dash. He is different dash his mother.
From.
Very good. He is different from his mother. They like to sit dash the fire during the cold winter season.
By.
Very by the fire. By the fire means fire ke aspas. By the fire. She works dash her living.
For.
Very good. She works for her living. Next, she suffers dash headaches.
From.
Very good. Very good. From headaches. Next, he is dash royal blood.
With.
Very good.
Of.
He is of royal blood. With nahi beta, he is of royal blood. What does this mean?
Ma'am, that he is of royal blood.
He is of a royal family. Means king, queens, that family. That is a royal family. So let's have a quick revision. Answer to 21.
For.
Okay. 22.
With.
And 23.
Of.
24.
Against.
Good. 25.
By.
26.
From.
27.
By.
28.
For.
29.
From.
30.
With.
He is of royal blood. Okay, of royal blood means he belongs to a royal family. Now 1 minute or something to write the answers from 21 to 30. Anyone wants to ask any of these sentences, answers? If you have missed out anything, please tell me. 21 to 30. If you have missed out something, you can ask me. Tell me, you want to ask? Anyone? Any answer if you have missed out from 21 to 30? Chalo, that's nice. Take 1 minute, children. Quickly write the answers. 21 to 30. Very good. I'll give you about 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes. Finish writing part. Hurry up. I want to see your work also today in the same period. You need to post it after this. First, finish writing.
Ma'am, done.
Finished, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
I think 5 more we can discuss. Then you start posting the answers. Let me discuss with you side by side only these 5. 35 tak we can do. Gaurav Singh, please video off karo beta. Okay. Thank you so much. 31. They went so fast that I couldn't keep up dash them.
With.
Very good. Keep up with them. They were walking so fast कि मैं उनके साथ नहीं चल पाया. They with them. Next. All men between 18 and 25 dash exception are expected to serve in the army during the time of war.
Within.
No, without exception. What should be the answer? Without exception. मतलब किसी को भी कोई भी exception नहीं है. मतलब किसी को भी कोई relaxation नहीं मिलेगा. All the people, all the men who are what age to what age have to serve in the army? 18 years to
25.
किसी को भी nobody will be given relaxation in this. Exception का मतलब होता है बाकियों से अलग. So nobody is giving exception. So without exception. He is content dash his very little salary.
With.
With. Very good. Content means satisfied. And salary you know only. So he's satisfied with his very little salary. He walked dash the room. Tell me the first answer out of these.
From.
First option. Should it be in or should it be into?
Into.
Very good. Into. He walked into the room dash we were sitting.
From. In.
In. So which is the correct option? Into and in? See the C1.
C.
Which is the correct option? C1. Very good. The rain was beating dash the windows. Against the windows. Okay. जब भी कोई चीज किसी से टकराती है बेटा, that is what we call as against in English. Against the windows. You've seen when there are rain droplets, you can hear that sound on your window panes. So we say against the windows. Okay. Answer to 31.
With.
With.
Okay. 32.
Without.
Without.
Very good. 33.
With.
With.
Okay. 34. 34.
In.
Into.
And into.
Into.
Which option? You can tell me the option. Which
Into
option would be
the
correct?
option.
Very good.
Option
And the
C.
last one, 35.
Against.
Against.
Again.
Any sense? Now you start posting the answers on your group with your names so that I can put a tick in front of your names. I'll only put a tick. I'll mark you present if you have done something in the class. Just joining the meeting does not mean that you're present in the class. Please post your work quickly on your class groups with your names, everybody. Hurry up, please post quickly.
Ma'am, I have posted.
Yes, Peter, I can see. You always post your work on time. I have seen this also. Hurry up, my bachas. Hurry up. Please post so that I can put a tick in front of your names. Just writing present on the group or joining the meeting and then going somewhere to eat or sleep or drink or take a bath is not present, no? Post quickly.